Hi, I'm John Karras. I'm the lab manager here at SD Myers. I'm going to tell you about the Karl Fischer test today for moisture in transformer oils. We start by scanning the barcode on the bottle. That barcode is tied and connected to the piece of equipment that the sample came from. And so we know when we test this by scanning the barcode, we know what equipment it came from. The next thing we do is we flush the syringe. We flush the syringe so that there's no cross-contamination from one sample to the next. We flush it several times for each sample. So once we flushed it, then we draw the actual sample to be tested. We draw the sample up and we wipe the outside of the syringe, again, to make sure there's no cross-contamination between samples. That's injected into the instrument that will actually measure the moisture inside that sample. We run this on two different instruments for each sample. Each instrument gives us a result for that sample. We type those results into the computer. If the results don't match each other, we will test it a third time to verify so we can get a quality, valid result to our customer. We submit these results through what we call the verification service. The verification service goes and checks and finds out if these results match the past history for that piece of equipment. So if the verification service indicates that the results match past history, then the technician is encouraged to go ahead and complete the test. If the results don't match past history, then the technician it's suggested to the technician that they go and perform a retest so that we can make sure we have valid results for our customers. And that's how we provide accurate Karl Fischer moisture results here at SD Myers.